What's good, fam? This is WickU, and today we're gonna go over the Silver Bullet method. Now we do have three macros that we can trade the Silver Bullet. The first one being 3 to 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is London. 10 to 11, which is your AM session, and lastly 2 to 3 is your PM session. So the criteria do go as follows. So I prefer to have a higher time frame draw on liquidity still. Before the 10 a.m. session hits, I would like to see opposing liquidity get swept, whether it's above or below, depending on our bias. And then I would like to see a market structure shift with displacement towards that side. So if we are bullish, then we're going to want to see our displacement up. And then we're going to want to enter off of a fair value gap with at least 2-to-1 risk reward ratio as our target. Now, today, we're actually going to use the S&P, and we'll show you how we caught this today. So generally, I usually like to operate off the 5 minute or less. Um, the 1 minute is going to be the one that I most commonly refer to, and let's see how it goes. So as you can see right off the gate, even before the 10 o'clock session, liquidity has been swept, so price has enough reason to go up. But let's see if we can grab this. And you can see here that we also grab this lower liquidity here. And now let's just go candle by candle to see what we will get. All right. So we actually dropped lower and swept here again after sweeping a higher time frame model, which can be seen as your 2022 mentorship entry, right? And as we continue to play it, you can see here we got a market structure shift that left a fair value gap. Now we're always going to want to take the most recent fair value gap created with this strategy, right? So here we go. And just to frame out your market structure shift. And our TP is going to be this short-term high that's created in the market. All right, so let's set that up. Stop loss just below the low here. And again, we're going to be targeting just this buy side liquidity, although we have a higher time frame bias in mind. So we do get a 2.3 to 1. So all criteria have been met. Now let's see how it plays out. You see we got nice rejection right out, and it took off from there. Now a lot of the times in my silver bullet, I will take partials at 1-to-1 and then move my stops. If we do get to 2-to-1 or better, I will move my stops to break even and let the trade play out. And as you can see here, it did run to our TP and then some. So if you have all of these put together, you have enough to trade the silver bullet.